Receiving schools, here is a reference for today's lesson. Your strand, substrand, outcome, topic, materials, and your reference.
Okay, good morning, HCs, receiving school students and teachers. Thank you. You may sit down. All right, HCs and receiving students. For today's lesson, we're going to be looking at this book here, Grade 8 textbook, People and Places. All right, so receiving students, if you have these books here, could you take them out and use them for today's lesson? So People and Places, Grade 8 textbook. All right. Our topic for today's lesson, HCs and receiving students, since we are on international culture, okay, a rural community in Africa. What page is that? That's on page 16. Okay. Chapter 3, where it says the Somali, Northeast Africa. Yes? Page 16, everyone? All right, have you all turned to page 16? Okay, good, HCs and also receiving students. All right. Okay, Stephen, wait, the first paragraph, please. Can I have you to read that?
Environment. The Somali people live in the Northeast Africa. Most live in Somalia. The climate of the Northeast Africa is mainly hot and dry, and Somali identify these three reasons in the year. 1. The main dry season is from December to March. The main wet season is from April to July, and the season of the light rains is from August to November.
Okay, you can stop there. Imon, please read the next part.
The wind blows from the northeast. The wind blows from the northeast all around the year. The wind travels across large areas of desert before it reaches Somalia, and so it is very dry. The vegetation does not benefit very much from the rainy season. The days are so hot, often over 40 degrees Celsius, and any rain which falls dries up, evaporates very quickly.
Okay, very good. Okay. All right, we'll stop there. Okay. Can I have Nyakupen? Nyakupen, can you please? Okay, can you write the vegetation of Somalia? Okay, on the board so that the receiving students can identify, they'll know, all right? What type of vegetation does the Somalia people have? Oh, sorry. Yeah, what type of vegetation does Somalia have? Okay? Let's write up. All right. Okay, good. Okay. You agree with that? The type of, okay, vegetation, okay, is sparse, thinly scattered. Okay, it consists of short, tough grasses and scattered stunted trees. So, type of vegetation it has is a dry savanna. Okay. Next one, can I have Anderson? Okay, you go up to the board and you identify the type of climate that Somalia has. The type of climate. What type of climate does Somalia have? Okay, so you go up to the board and write it so that the receiving students who don't have any textbooks, they'll know. And yeah. Okay, is it correct? Yes? What type of climate? Okay, the climate of Somalia is hot. Yeah, mainly hot and dry. Okay. Now, if you look at the, okay, I'd like you to look at the map on page 16, map of Somalia. All right, where is, okay, in which continent is Somalia in? Africa. Okay. Somalia is in Africa, and what is the capital city of Somalia receiving students? Okay, Mogadishu. Mogadishu is the capital city of Somalia. And the people there are called, what do they call them? Somali. Okay, the Somali people. All right. Okay. Page, still on page 16. Okay, just look at the, no, that's okay. Forget that. Okay. Okay, receiving students, please, I'd like you to just look at this map here, map of Somalia, okay, where we have the capital city, Mogadishu. It's being shaded. All right. Where's our activity? Okay, first question, please, 8Cs and receiving students. Okay, you look at the, wait, I think on page 18. Oh, sorry, yeah. On page 18, turn to page 18, 8Cs and receiving students. Okay, we also have another map of Somalia and its neighboring countries, page 18. Okay, have you turned to page 18? Okay, good. All right. So receiving students, the map is here, okay? All right, first question, please. Can you answer that quickly into your exercise books, 8Cs and receiving students? Study the map on page 18. Okay, map of Somalia and its neighboring countries. And I'd like you to enter the first question. All right. You can round off to the nearest degree. Okay. All right, HCs and receiving students. Okay, you finished question 1? The latitude and longitude of Mogadishu. And like I said, you can round off to the nearest degree, okay? Now on the map, if you look carefully, you look closely, you have the degree there, okay? Can you see? Okay, again, if you're not sure, please put your hands up. Receiving students, if you're not sure, please ask your teachers to help you. Okay. Latitude, yeah.
Okay, it's like 3 degrees north. And if you want to come down, would it go like 2 or 4?
No. It's somewhere around 2 point something, 2.6 or 2.7 something. So you round it. That's why I said round it off to the nearest degree.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a latitude. Longitude is this line, can remember.
So that is longitude.
Also for the longitude too, Mogadishu is somewhere here.
Yeah.
You can round it off to the nearest degree. Let's say something 0.5,
45 point.
or
Sorry.
4 or something.
Yeah.
So we can round it off to 45 degrees.
45 and this one is 3.
Okay, you finished getting the latitude and longitude? No, Mogadishu is here. So it's somewhere here. So
Number over here.
okay, there's no number there. So it's here. So you can just round it off to the nearest. It's 45. Let's just say 45 degrees east. That's the longitude. Same with the latitude. You can round it off to 3 degrees. Simple. Can we have someone to give us the answer, please? The latitude for using the map, looking at the map. Latitude for Mogadishu and the longitude. Like I said, you can round off to the nearest degree. Okay. All right, Paulus, can you give us the latitude, please? Pass the mic. Okay, I want you to check your answer.
"46 degrees east and 3 degrees north."
Okay. Remember, always put the latitude first, okay? Latitude comes first, latitude reading. So we said Mogadishu is here. You can round off to the nearest degree, 3 degrees north, okay? So latitude, 3 degrees north. Okay, longitude. Round off to the nearest degree. You said 46. Is it 46? No. Okay, we don't know what the other number is, okay? 8 says, we don't know what the other number is. It only says 45 here, all right? Okay, so you can just round it off to the nearest number there. 45. 45 degrees north. Sorry, not north, east. All right? Because if you get your ruler and you place it, it's next to 45, not... Okay? All right, so latitude, 3 degrees north. Okay, remember always nothing, sorry, not nothing, but latitude comes first and then longitude. Okay, so 3 degrees north and 45 degrees east, longitude. Okay. Okay, that's your question 1. Okay, next one. All right, name 2 countries sharing borders with Somalia, okay? Name 2 countries sharing borders with Somalia. Quickly write down those 2 countries. Looking at your map on page 18. And name those 2 countries that are sharing the borders with, sharing borders with Somalia. Oops. Okay, you finished? Yes? Okay, good. Zimalin, name one, please. Name one country.
Ethiopia.
Okay, Ethiopia is one. Next one.
Kenya.
Okay, good. Ethiopia, Kenya. Two countries sharing borders with Somalia. Okay, good. Receiving students, I hope you got that correct. Okay. Oops. All right, what is the name of the sea to the north of Somalia? What is the name of the sea to the north of Somalia? Okay, receiving students. Okay, you finished? Donovan, can you give us your answer, please?
Red Sea.
Okay, very good. Red Sea, okay? Somalia, north of Somalia, Red Sea. Okay, next question. The last one, I think. Okay, the next question is the name of the ocean to the east. Okay, name of the ocean to the east of Somalia. Listen. Okay, you finished? Where's the mic? Okay. One from group 4. Group 4, can you give us your answer?
Indian Ocean.
Okay. You all agree with her? Yes? Okay, Indian Ocean. The ocean that is east of Somalia. Okay. Okay, 8Cs and receiving students, can you close your books, please, quickly? You close your textbooks and your exercise books. Yep. Okay, you've made your corrections already, so close your exercise books, your textbooks. Okay, how many groups, everyone sit up straight and look up here. How many groups are ready with the presentation? How many groups are ready? Just put your hands up. Just show me if you're ready with you've started with your presentation and you're ready. Group 7? Okay, group 7, group 4. Okay, receiving students, I reminded you that for 2 days, we'll have 2 days as your presentation of your arts and craft and sings, dances. Okay, again, let me see. Okay, please, hands up. Okay, group 7, group 4, who else? This group here? Not yet. Okay, listen. Okay, like I said, for you, that's Thursday and Friday, 2 days, we'll have you to present, okay? So make sure you are ready. You only have today, tomorrow. Okay. Okay, are there any questions? HCs and receiving students? Hey, any questions on today's activity? Or what you just did now? Nothing, ah? Listen, if you're still not sure on the latitude and longitude or directions, distances, please, you come and see me, okay? Receiving students, you can also go and see your teachers, all right? Anything that you're not sure of, especially on skills, okay? Mapping skills. Okay. We'll stop here. That brings us to the end of our lesson, 8Cs and receiving students. Receiving teachers, our keyword for today is Africa. Thank you, 8Cs and receiving students, for participating today.
Teachers, here is your reference for the next lesson. Your strand, substrand, outcome, the topic, materials, and your reference.